When to use a funnel versus a site. Funnels and sites have various use cases. Understanding when to use which will superpower your business. Funnels you can think of as a way to convert. This is for a single action that you want to complete. Usually, ideas where you would use a funnel would be paid ads and lead generation, maybe booking a call. Others could be a one page, one goal. You want minimal distractions. You want a step-by-step, and these will usually have a higher conversion rate. In the case of a website, the websites are going to be more information-based. So you would use this to inform people about several things about your business. This is when you'd want an about page, you'd want team member pages, and you'd use a website if you're going to establish trust. You'd use a website if you want multiple pages, you want about pages. You'd use a website if you want easy navigation, and also a website if you want SEO. For example, if someone Googles your business, name, or services, they would expect to land on a website in most cases rather than a funnel. A big mistake that people will make whenever they're trying to use one versus the other is funnels are not SEO designed. They're not for great SEO heavy content. However, you can have a single page for one intent. However, websites are not ideal for high conversions when you have ad traffic. The best situation is usually both. You would have a website live for building trust, branding, and SEO, and you'd leave a funnel going for conversions in your offers. For example, if someone finds you through your website, they click on a CTA, they would land on a funnel to book or opt in. That way, it eliminates the number of distractions on your site. If you choose the right builder for the right job, everything will perform better. That would be your ads, your SEO, and your conversions.